very much for the nice introduction. Nanda, should I share the screen
Yeah,
now?
yes, sir. Yes, Rameshji, you can share the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Can I
Yeah.
proceed?
Yeah, I think, sir, you can go ahead with that.
Yes. Thank you very much for Nanda Kumar and IPI, giving us opportunity to present our company and the new technologies. And also thank for all the participants, irrespective of today Independence Day and holiday, but people came and attended this seminar. So I make sure that it will be worthwhile, worthful for you. Okay, let me continue now. Benefits of two platen machine and DCM, that is a new patented technology that is called direct compound injection molding technology and water injection technologies. Okay, so we Uzumi HPM basically, and we are an American legend, we say, because we have more than 140 plus years experience in the press building, hydraulic presses and electrical presses, 160 patents, and we have more than 200 honors. Now it is owned by Uzumi Group from China. So we are the only manufacturer. Just a few slides, just 4 slides of our company, then I'll go into the deep onto the technology. So we are the only manufacturers covers all type of high pressure molding like injection molding, die casting, rubber, high speed Thixer molding, that is magnesium alloy molding, automation and mold. So, and this is, you can see this is just almost first injection molding machine built in the world by Uzumi in 1937. This is the first very high injection press, about 10,000 ton press built in 1940. Okay, so we have a global presence. We have our R&D center in Germany and also engineering development center in US and Europe, all over the place. And we have a manufacturing facilities now in India. So these are the range of product we manufacture, so like two platen injection molding machines, toggle machines, high speed injection molding machines, multicolor electrical hybrid and vertical machines. So what is a core strength with Uzumi is we have very strong R&D, global R&D platform. Okay, we have innovation center headquarters in Germany, which is working with engineering center in US, which is working with the material development center in Brazil, and combined with our China innovation center. So we have very strong global R&D networks, which will have a lot of our new technologies and patents, and which is headed by Mr. Obe, who was a well-known person in Germany. And we have very strong R&D lab and manufacturing facility. Come to the point of two platen machines. Now everybody know basic about the two platen machine or the toggle three platen machines. But now more or less, more now the industry is moving towards two platen machines. I foresee in maybe in down the line 5 years, the toggle machine or direct clamping machines may not exist, because initially when it manufactured it was very expensive. Now because of more and more production is increasing, now the cost is also coming very close to the toggle machine or the direct clamping machines, so that people now it has various advantages. So I foresee myself that down the line 5 years, the two platen will dominate, and slowly toggle and direct clamping will diminish in the high end or medium applications. Okay, so everybody knows what is a two platen machines. Okay, maybe in the end I will show you some animation also how the two platen machine is working. Okay, so what is the advantage of the two platen machines? Why you need two platen machine? It simply, you can see here that now let's say my 500 ton machines, which is having a tie bar distance of 910, whereas if you see the toggle, it's same tie bar distance, you can see the toggle machines you have to go for 650 ton machine, or even direct clamping machines. If you see 550 ton in 870, so you can go on very high, tie bar distance. Or if you want much bigger eye bar, we can also use next level of the platen size. So it is very flexible, on the platen side, particularly for the automotive industries where demand big molds. Okay, and area, another very important advantage is the area. Two platen machines uh, occupies very less area compared to the direct clamp machines or the toggle machine. You can see here a typical 500-ton machine which records 17 square meter, whereas direct clamping machines record 26.5 square meter, and the toggle machine required 21.1 square meter. So today the cost of the floor is also very high. So it is a must that we must optimize use of our floor face. So when you go bigger and bigger, the floor saving is very high, particularly above 1,500, 2,000 ton machine. There is a huge saving in the floor faces on a two platen machines. And also in two platen machines, we use mostly the ultrasonic transducers, and which give very accuracy of almost 1 micron, 10 micron, so 0.01 mm. And it's also in the injection side also we use ultrasonic transducer, no analog transducer, which give the short weight variations at least 4 to 5 gram compared to the typical transducers. Okay. Also, when you want to modify the clamping stroke, suppose if you want a very high opening, so it's just easy just to change the opening cylinder, longer opening cylinder, change the base frame, so you can have very high opening stroke, and also the clamping stroke or all the the mold height is easily modifiable. So it's very flexible designs, the two platen designs. And another very important point is the life of the mold. The life of the mold is also depends on the parallelity of the platens, and also depends on the mold sensitivity. Okay, so normally the mold production is why this depends on the frictional forces in the toggle, and also the frictional forces on the tie bar. But in the two platen machine, in the two platen machine, there is the tie bar is independent. It's a floating tie bar. It never touches the moving platen, and it's only the sliding mechanism is only on the bottom of the platen. So the slide, you can see here the right side on the top of the wall. A second. So you can see it is you record very less force or pressure to close the mold. So we done a test, even put a 3 piece of A4 size machine in a 1,500 ton machine, it sends. So in two platen machines, you get the lowest possible mold production pressure. So the very high sensitive mold pressure, it will increase the life of the mold, and also the accuracy. Okay. Next is very important is dry cycle time. And that today the cost is also depends on not only the floor phase investment, also the production cycle. The basic machine, if you see a typical comparison of 1,100 ton machines, now the new designs has come with less than almost 5.8 seconds, or the new design what we introduced almost 5 seconds dry cycle time. Compared to the typical available other available around 6 to 7 seconds, or compared to the toggle machine in the same size 13 seconds. So it's more than 55% faster than toggle or RAM machines. So very high very low dry cycle time. So that means the faster production efficiency and capacity. Okay, this is, and if we compared the typical 900 two platen machine where the dry cycle time is around 5 seconds. If you compare the direct RAM closing machines, it will be around 9 to 10 seconds. So even if a typical 50 second cycle time existing mold just changing to the platen, easily you can save 3 to 4 second cycle time. So it means at least 5 to 8% production direct saving on two platen machines. Okay, and it consumes very low hydraulic oil. Okay, typically a 500 ton two platen consumes 750 liter oil compared to the direct clamp of almost double, or the toggle machine is approximately almost 30% more in toggle machine. So the lowest oil consumption is in two platen machines. Okay, so what is a unique design feature about the Uzumi also is that we have some patented technologies in the two platen machines. particularly the very important mechanism in a 2-platen machine is a lock nut. You can see the left side of the lock nut. So it is very important that all the 4 lock nut close at the same time, and also it should not, give a lock sound. It should not impact very high on the nut. So it will, if we have a high impact strength on the nut, then the life will be come down, and then you get also heavy noise. So we have a patented toggle design here. You can see a lever design on the left side. Okay, so that will make sure that the lock nut close perfectly at the pin. And also we developed our own self lubricating composite material. So you can see our patent. Okay, this is a patented this thing. Most of the other competitors, or other manufacturers, they use cast iron with tough ride materials. So, but there is a chances that the life of that material, because of the impact strength, is very less. So that's why we developed our own self lubricating composite material. So what is a value to the customer is its very durability and reliability, and you can move also very faster. That's why our tri-cycle times are faster, and it is very accurate and efficient. Okay, and also we have another patent is independent high pressure cylinders. So all the 4 cylinder in the 2-platen machine is independent cylinder monitored by ultrasonic stroke transducer, and this is our patent. And so what is the advantage here? It is means because the clamping force is very build up is very fast. So within 0.3 or 0.4 seconds. So that's why the tri-cycle time is very less in our machines, and this gives a typical advantage also, because when you have a deep cavity mold, for example, dust bins or the washing machine ducts, so which a lot of side cores, so you need very high opening forces. That's why many times you see the big machine, when you try to open the toggle machine, you can feel the jerk, very high jerk. But when you have this high pressure mold opening with independent this thing, so we have very smooth high pressure opening. So the low speed mold open with very large forces. So it will also increase the life of the mold as well as the life of the machines, and so very good for the deep cavity productions. Okay. And we have very high rigid, because very important for the platen, very important for the 2-platen machine is the platen parallelism. Okay, and the platen parallelism also depends on the guide rail or the base frame, because the 2-platen moving platen is not supported by tie bar, because this is independent from the tie bar. It is only supported by the base frame. So it is very important that the slide is through design is very important. So we can, our platen design or the guide design is almost 100 micron guiding accuracy. Okay, so it's fast and steady motion of the platens, and it's also prevent the mold leaning or mold tilting, you can say. And also we have now developed a new coating system that and also new thread systems, which ensures that 99.3% uniform stress on the on the thread, because the lock nut and the thread is the key area for the longer life of the machine, because the whole clamping force is reaction force is developed by lock nut and tie bar. Okay, so we have a special nitrated and with a very special coating. So on this one, and then also the mold opening and closing accuracy, since we use all the individual proportional valve for the tie bar positioning, and also separate proportional valve or the proportional valve for mold closing opening. So it's very high repeatability. We can guarantee less than 0.2 mm. Okay, if you see typically a toggle machine or the RAM machines, it varies between 1 to 1.5 mm, or maybe 0.5 mm the best case. But here it will be around 0.2 mm. We can guarantee on the position of the platen. Also, since as I told you, we are now using all the transducers in the injection molding is with the independent professional valves and the ultrasonic stroke transducers. So the positional accuracy of the screw is very accurate, so that you have very consistency in terms of the short weight and the repeatability. Another very important application is which is possible only on 2-platen machine is in case if you are running an offset molding where the mold pot not balanced. So then you have a tie bar, the clamping force variation on each tie bar differently. Whereas in a 2-platen machine, it is possible to adjust each of the tie bar position to maintain the uniform stress on all the 4 tie bar as well as all the the platen. It is possible to automatically adjust the position of the tie bar so that clamping force can adjust. It depends on the injection reaction force. So it means because of the offset molding, you have different forces. Maybe left side is little higher forces than the right side. So accordingly, the clamping force can vary. So you can see here the typical animations. I can show you. You can see here the injection is completely on the right side. So it's the center is completely offset. And now we have the program during the injection, the clamping force is measuring and automatically is adjusting. So it all the time maintain the same parallelism and equal forces on all the molding area. So we can guarantee here 0.015 mm per 2 meter, the parallelisms. Okay. Also, we have developed a new injection unit with a quick barrel change mechanism as optional. So in case if you are using different material, particularly when you use a transparent material, when you use a normal black material, it's very difficult, to get the same quality, because every time you have to purge out many material. So some customer now prefer to use a separate screw barrel for the clear materials, and particularly the acrylic and polycarbonate transparent, or another material for PP glass field or black or dark colors. So nowadays it became a requirement that the screw barrel has to be changed quickly. So we have developed a quick barrel change mechanism. Okay. Also, our hydraulic system, which is again we are using a new type of hydraulic design now. You can see here the new type of servo motor, which is a single motor with a double-sided pump. So this will save floors of the machines. So instead of using two pump, we use single motor with double pump and with a very high torque overload value. Okay, so. So it makes the response of the hydraulic system very faster. The movements are very efficient and very highly and durable. Okay, this is we call synchronous servo motor. And also the mold height adjustment. It's just a single button. It will do the automatic mold height adjustment. In toggle machines, if you want to adjust the mold, first you have to increase or decrease the mold height by gear. It takes more time, and we reduce almost 90% of the mold change time in 2-platen machine compared to the toggle machines. Also, there are new designs is also made based on the easy maintenance. You can see here the doors. So you can hear the doors. Now the doors are completely removable. It's not no hinge type. It is just a plug-in-place type. You can remove the doors directly and keep it aside, so that the entire injection area, clamping or hydraulic area is available for maintenance work. Okay, so this is a small animation how the 2-platen system works. So these are typical applications were mostly used in automotive. This is a Toyota, Harris. These are typical applications. BMW parts, washing machine tops, and this is waste bin tops, pallets like this. Okay, my next topic is I'm going into direct compounding injection molding machines. This is a new patented technology. It's developed by our Izumi, Germany R&D with our partners in Germany. And what is this direct compounding injection molding machine? You all know, most of injection machine manufacturers using, particularly automobile manufacturer, component part manufacturer using direct compound or the material. Material means unit 20% glass filled material or talc filled material. So how this material is made is, you buy the raw material from the market, then mix, either master batches or talc or glass in a compounding line. Typically, a compounder make the material and compound as per the specification and supply to the molder. Again, you have to preheat the material, and then you have to again injection mold this thing. So now we combine the compounding into the injection molding machine. So we completely eliminated the intermediate steps. So when you eliminated the intermediate step, you know what is advantages. First, I will explain now here. We develop this. It's completely freedom for the molders. Means you can choose any time what kind of compounding of material you want to process. So it is just a touch of a button, and you can produce your compound by yourself. You do not go every time to the compounder, blend it and test, and not necessary. And directly from the basic raw materials, directly compound and you can mold it, so that the quality and the flexibility is higher compared to the this thing. And the total cost is also down, and the energy saving in the value chains. So we estimated on a typical machine, total carbon dioxide saving per kg is around 264 grams. Okay, so here you can see a typical comparison with the standard. In the left side, you can see the standard uh, injection process, where the material cost is very significant. It's 64% is cost of material, because the compounder charge the compounding charges and his profit. So if you can see, when you do directly, so you can typically reduce to 15 to 20% of the material cost. So which will of course save your cost of molding. So this is a typical system. You can, and this now we are developing this system as a standalone system, where you can even maybe possible to attach your existing injection molding machines also. So that was it. So you can see here the compounding dosing system on the right side. Okay. Okay. So it consists of we developed until now the maximum four material you can compound on the injection molding machine. So you can see here top the 4 gravimetric feeder, where the material, and then side feeder. You can see the detail in the animation video I will show you. So this is a screw. We use electrical drive for the compounder screw. And the screw is very special. This is a 4-zone compounding screw. Okay. It is integrated control system. It's a single control for the injection molding machines in the machine, where you can just decide how much percentage of the material you want to, so that it will fit automatically. The material compounding is done. So you can see here you can choose the weight and see the highlighted red weight. You can choose the weight of each compounder, or either you can do volumetric or by weight also you can add. So you can choose, but it is just you have to enter the value. You need not to do any adjustment, anything. Just enter the value on the screen. It's an injection molding. It's like setting up a plasticizing stroke or something. So it just you already predefined what is the value for this particular compound. You just enter the compound. It's enough that it will do automatically on its own. So it's very flexible combinations. You can use in any injection molding machine, 2 platons, a toggle machine, direct clamp, or all electric, doesn't matter. Okay, and maybe now we are developing system. It may be suitable for the other brand also. At this moment, we are trying with our brand only, but maybe we can use it in other brand also. So additional benefits, not only, and also, as I told you, when you use the compounded material, pre-compounded material, you have to do the pre-drying. So this is also cost. So here, since you are directly using the compounding, so you don't need to do the preheating or pre-drying. So you save the money. Okay, and also when you use glass filled or fillers, first you do the compounding, then you are breaking the fillers length. Also, you are breaking the the quality of the fillers or the strength of the fillers. Again, you are remelting on again you are remelting or redrying on an injection molding machine where you are again plasticizing. Again, the performance is reduced because you're breaking again the fiber length and also the strength of the fiber. So that means you're heating, preheating, and plasticizing two times. One is in the compounding and one is in injection molding machines. Here it is only one time direct compound injection, so it improves 30% in plasticizing performance, which improves the quality of the final parts also. And another advantage.
Excuse me, Mr. Ramesh, can you please another 2 minutes more?
Oh, okay.
Go
I'll
to
make it faster. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Now, this is a typical application where we developed, you can see the biodegradable material, where we combined 4 different material. Okay. So this is a video. If you want, and I'll share with the video later on because timing is running. So I'll just forward. And we have also can consult you on the compounding of the material, how it should be done and everything. My next topic is water injection molding machine. So what is water injection molding machine? Everybody knows, gas injection molding technology. Gas injection machine is, for a solid part, if you want to make a halo, use the gas. Okay. So now the new trend is going in Europe is using the water. So what is the advantage? Fundamentally, it reduces the cycle time. It increases the surface finish. Also, it increases strength, reduces zinc mark, well lines. So a lot of advantage in water injection molding technology. You can see here the comparison. Okay, and the first slide shows the first one is the gas injection gas system. In the gas system, where the cycle time is approximately 300 seconds, but if you use water injection system, cycle time come down to 90 seconds because we use cold water. We use hot water for purge out the material and cold water for the cooling. So you can use both the purging out as well as cooling inside the part, so the cycle time can significantly reduced. And so in the first before we have purge out technology where you have to take out the material, extra material, and grind it or reuse it. But the new technology come melt pushback. You can see the slide one. First, the polymer is injected. Once injected, the nozzle is putting the water inside, so the material goes back into the cylinder. So we don't waste the material; it is going back into the cylinder. So the halo is created by pressing the hot water, and once the injection is finished during the whole time or during the cooling time, we can switch over to the cold water. The water circulating inside the combo material, so that the cooling time is also very lower. So that's why you created a hollow part. You can see here the typical engine fuel pump, fuel application. And this application for the fuel for the fuel pipe, the internal surface finish is very important. You can see the water surface finish on the bottom, and you see the gas surface finish. So here, a typical application is used in complex, the tube kind of parts. And it says also, when you have the similar machines, if you use gas injection technology, water will increase your productivity by double. Okay. See the typical examples. This is a clutch plate and RD headlamp where they reduce the weight by using the water, backseat rest. So these are typical, and also nowadays the application is going into the the containers, also the big container to reduce the weight using making the halo. Also, you can see here the typical applications where the weight is reduced by almost cycle time is also reduced. So this is a water equipment system. So anybody want to have more details, they can contact me or Muthu Krishnan in Chennai, so that we can share more details or more detail. That's all. Thank you very much, system. So, Nandakumar.
Yeah.